How to create password-protected file or folder in Google Drive. 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I'll be showing you how to create password-protected files and folders in Google Drive. Let's dive in. To protect a document, open a Google Doc and enter your content. Once you're done, we'll download this file in a format that supports encryption, like PDF. Click on File, Download, PDF Document, PDF. After downloading, use any PDF editor or online service to add password protection to the file. Once the file is secured, upload it back to Google Drive. Now every time someone tries to open it, they'll need the password you set. Unfortunately, Google Drive doesn't allow password protection on folders. To secure a folder, you can encrypt it into a zip file with a password before uploading. Tools like 7-Zip or WinRAR are great for this. And that's it. While Google Drive doesn't offer direct password protection, these methods will help you secure your files and folders. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.